Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying SPSS 20 is installed and you have the Excel file ready. Open SPSS, then in Excel ensure the first row contains clean variable names and consistent types. Remove merged cells and hidden rows so SPSS reads columns correctly. Once done, save a copy as XLSX or XLS and close Excel to avoid file lock conflicts. This matters because SPSS reads the top row as variable names. You now choose File Open Data and change files of type to Excel. Select your file and pick the correct worksheet from the drop-down. Make sure Read Variable Names from the first row is checked so SPSS assigns labels automatically. Review the preview grid. If numbers appear as strings, correct the Excel column formatting and resave. Use options to specify how to treat blank cells and date conversions. Once the preview looks right, click OK to import data into the data editor. After import, you must inspect variable view to confirm types, formats, and labels. Change measurement level, width, and decimal places as needed so analyzes run correctly. If a column imported as string but should be numeric, use automatic recode or compute a numeric variable, then save your dataset as a SAV to preserve settings. If something goes wrong, close SPSS, fix the Excel file, headers or mix types, and re-import. Or recreate the steps using an SPSS syntax file so the process is reproducible.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.